Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how we can insert a checkbox in Microsoft Excel sheet. To do that, for example, we have example of to-do list and we want to insert a checkbox in the status. So to do that, first we need to add developer section to the top ribbon. So we will just simply right click here, and here we have customize the ribbon. We will just click here, and here you can see we have developer option. We will check developer, and we will click OK. Now you can see we have developer menu in our ribbon, so we will just click the developer menu, and we will come to the insert option, and here we have this checkbox. We will click this checkbox, and here we will come and we will select here this checkbox. We can remove the text. Okay, text is removed, and now just right click and again click, and here we will adjust the checkbox based on the size of the cell. So adjust here this side so that it can cover the whole cell. So perfect, let's cover the whole cell. Okay, now if you want to add the checkbox to the remaining cells, so you will come here and just from the bottom right corner drag down, and it will add here. So from here, if you want to check or uncheck, you can simply click here. You can either simply click here anywhere in the cell, and it will work. You can see one by one it's working. Okay, so this is a very simple and easy method, and through this method we can easily insert a checkbox in our Excel sheet or any Excel form or anything based on your requirement. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please drop down in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you.